All right, now picture this. You're packing up for a weekend mountain trip. The whole family's buzzing, and instead of stressing about snow or dirt roads, you've got a ride that eats rugged adventures for breakfast. That's exactly where the 2026 Subaru Outback comes in. This SUV has always been a legend for outdoorsy families, but Subaru just took it to another level. The first thing you'll notice is the new boxier design. It looks tougher, more confident, and way more ready for the wild. But don't think for a second this is just about looks, because Subaru made sure this beast performs. Every single Outback comes with standard all-wheel drive, which is basically Subaru saying, go ahead, take the long way home. If you're the type who loves camping, skiing, or just exploring places where regular SUVs tap out, this thing has your back. And if you want even more grit, the Wilderness trim now comes with a turbocharged 260 horsepower engine that's begging to take on mud trails, snow-packed mountain roads, or a spontaneous detour when you see a dirt path that looks too tempting to ignore. Even the base 2.5-liter engine is no slouch, giving you solid efficiency at up to 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Imagine that rugged adventure without bleeding your wallet dry on gas. Step inside, and Subaru makes sure your family's not just safe, but seriously comfortable. The 2026 Outback gives you up to 75.6 cubic feet of cargo space when the seats are folded down. That's tents, bikes, coolers, and still space for the kids' stuff. There's also a brand new 12.1-inch touchscreen that feels more like an iPad than a car screen. It's fast, it's clear, and it ties in beautifully with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and one of the best pedestrian detection systems in the game. And you know, Subaru safety ratings are always gold. Okay, let's dig even deeper into the 2026 Subaru Outback. This is one of those family SUVs that surprises you because it gives rugged capability and comfort. First off, pricing in the US for the new redesign starts around $34,995 for the base premium trim and loaded Wilderness, or Touring XT versions run up to about $49,445 MSRP, including destination. You might wonder, how about Canada or Japan? Well, Canada usually adds taxes, import, and dealer markups, so expect roughly 5,000 to 10,000 Canadian dollars more, depending on region and trim, for similar models. In Japan, because of import duties, taxes, and compliance, expect the price to be significantly higher, sometimes 20 to 30% above US dollar equivalent after conversion for similarly spec'd trims. Exact Japanese numbers aren't confirmed yet, but that's what similar imports tend to cost. Color choices are one thing that really help the Outback stand out. For 2026, there are 9 exterior colors available. Some of the most eye-catching are Crystal White Pearl, Deep Emerald Green Pearl, Crimson Red Pearl, Sapphire Blue Pearl, plus more muted but classy tones like Magnetite Gray Metallic and Ice Silver. What makes it unique versus competitors? The new Outback is much boxier and more upright than its predecessor, giving more headroom and cargo volume. Look at the Wilderness trim. It raises ride height to about 9.5 inches, adds all-terrain tires, extended cladding, and copper accents. In many trims, you get 19-inch wheels, especially some XT trims, which are larger than many rivals in this class. Inside, you get a 12.1-inch touchscreen standard plus a 12.3-inch full digital gauge cluster on all trims. Higher trims add leather or Nappa leather. Some trade-offs. When you push for Wilderness or XT turbo trims, cost goes up, fuel economy drops a bit, tires and maintenance, if you go off-road, will cost more. Also, availability of certain paint colors and features can depend heavily on trim and dealer. All that said, if you want something that looks rugged, handles snow or trails, gives you comfort and family space, and still has tech and style so people notice, the 2026 Outback is one of the rare picks that really balances everything. So tell me, if you were choosing, would you go for the green emerald color Wilderness trim or save money and take a premium in white or silver? Drop your choice in the comments, because I want to see what style you're leaning toward.